This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Chainlink today. So Chainlink, I observed setting up this morning based on the Camarilla pivot system. So Chainlink, we come over to the 15-minute chart here. Chainlink was setting up here at the R3 Camarilla pivot level. My trade idea was an R3 to an S3 Camarilla pivot traverse here. So if we look at this area here, this yellow line marks the high of the pre-market price action for Chainlink, and this candle here coincides with this yellow line that marks the pre-market low of Chainlink's price action. So this sets a range that Cardano is trading in. So with this range, I'll look for different, or with this range in conjunction with the Camarilla pivot system, I'll look for either market structure shifts or breaks of structure in order to seek potential entries. So we can see here, this would be the low that created this high. And then here, there's a market structure shift that happens here. Market structure shift that happens here just above the R3 level, about midway here. So this would actually be a good place to potentially take an entry, or at least wait until this pullback here. And then price action sells off below the R3 level. And then here we have just before the open here, we have this candle that sets the low. And then here at the open, we get a close below this low here that is set. So this market structure shift here breaks this old low and continues down. And this price action is just selling off here. And then this is just continuation. Here's the next market structure, or here's the next break of structure here. Here's the next break of structure, and then in this candle, in this next candle, there's follow through or continuation from the close of this candle. So this is what I want to see. I want to see a candle close below the previous structure, and then with this break of structure, and then seeing continuation in the next candle. Then we get the pullback. I believe I had an entry set here. That stop got blown, or at least that stop got hit, stopped out. I had a stop here, got stopped out. Eventually, I believe this stop here wound up holding, and then we can see after entry, price still was bought up, and then began to sell off quite aggressively, and I took profits down here at the S3 level right here. And we can see here on the 4 hour down here, range was set this morning here, and then we can see the low that set this range is here, but the price action never made it down, never sold off this far. We can see here Chainlink found support down here in between the S3 and S4 level. We can see the elevated volume profile in this area here that led to stopping volume. We can see price action is held and basically held support here near this S3 level. But that's my trade today on Chainlink. And this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.